Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to install data loader to our Windows system. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the regular updates of upcoming videos. So let's first discuss what is data loader in Salesforce and why it is essential for our Salesforce environment. Now let us discuss this. In Salesforce, data loader is a client application used to bulk import, export, update, delete, or upsert the data. It is a powerful tool for managing large data volumes in Salesforce and making it ideal for system administrators, developers, or anyone who needs to manipulate Salesforce data in bulk. Now let's move ahead and discuss the installation process, and let's see the step. What are the steps that will take to install the data loader? Now first we will need to install the Java runtime environment, and after that we will install the data loader, and after that we log in and launch the data setup. Now let's see how we can do all these steps. So firstly, we go to our Salesforce org. Here I open my Salesforce account, and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning one, firstly switch to the Lightning and then proceed further, and then I click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option, and it will redirect us to the setup home page. And under the setup home page you can see there is a quick find box present. Here I enter the data loader, and then you can see our data loader comes at the top, that is present under the integration. Click on this data loader option. Our data loader page is open. Here you can see the data loader is a client application for the bulk import or export of data. Use it to insert, update, delete, or export Salesforce record. Here two options are present. First one is download and another one is user guide. Here I click on the downloads for downloading the data loader, and it will redirect us to the confirm redirect page. You are being redirected to an external URL. We are just making sure that what you want. So here I click on the confirm button. After clicking on the confirm button, it will redirect us to the Salesforce data loader page, and our installation of the data loader is started. Now in this window, click on the download the latest release for Windows. So I click on the download, and here our downloadation for the data loader is started and completed. Now we will see the installation of Java runtime environment. So now go back to the download data loader page again, and here I come back out to our data loader page and click on the user guide, and here click on the confirm, and it will redirect to an external URL. We are just making sure that what you want. So I click on the confirm, and our data loader page is open. From here click on the download and install data loader, and it will redirect us to the download and install data loader page. Now scroll down, and here under this page you can see the Azul Zulu documentation. Click on this, and it will redirect us to the download Azul ZDK page. Now scroll down. When we scroll down, it's in the Java 21 latest version. Now click on the download of window and click on the .msc file, and it start the downloading. The page is open. Thanks for downloading Azul Zulu build of OpenJDK, and our Zulu is start installing. Now we will first launch the Java runtime environment, and the installation folder of Java runtime environment is open. So I click here and click on the Azulo file, and our Azulo setup page is open. Welcome to the Azul Zulu ZRE 21.38.21 64-bit setup wizard, and then click on the next button, and here you can see the setup path for the environment. According to your requirement, you can change the setup path. After this, you have to click on the next button, and then it is ready to change the Zulu. I have already installed and this time I want to change this, so I click on the change. If you are installing the first time, then it show you click on finish button. Now I click on the change and it installing, and it asks you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Then hit the yes, and it will install successfully, and click on the finish button. Now go back to the file where you have to install the Salesforce data loader setup. Now from the download location, I open the data loader wizard, and here the bundle of data loader setup is present. Now firstly unzip the data loader file and then open this and click on the install file. So the system is checking the Java runtime is installed or not. So click on this install. Now read the statement. Do you want to install the data loader in the current folder? If yes, so enter the yes here and hit enter. And then if you want to create a shortcut for the desktop, then enter the yes. Now here enter the yes and then hit the enter. And then again, do you want to create a start menu? If yes, enter the yes, otherwise enter the no. And I want to enter the yes, then I enter yes and hit enter. And finally, you can see the data loader is installed and launched in our system. And to perform any operation like insert, update, upsert, delete, undelete, export and export all, you have to simply click on the button, and when you click on any of the button, it will ask you for the login. Now click any of the button, like I click on the insert, and you can see there is a two option for the login. Either you can log in with your production environment, and second with the password authentication. Now here I will show you how to log in with the authentication. So click on the login, and it will take you the Salesforce developer environment that you have created. Here we have to enter the connect button, and to allow the access to the data loader, so we have to click on the connect button, and then it will redirect you to the login page. Enter the username and password and then click on the login option. When you enter your username and password and then click on the login, it will redirect you to the, here you can see I enter my username and password and then click on the login. It asks you to allow the access the identity URL service, manage user data via APIs. So click on the allow the access to the click on the allows, and to allow the access to the data loader, we have the click on the allow button. So click on the allow button, and then click on the continue. So as of now the access is provided to the data loader, so we will again open the data loader tool, and so this is how we again open the data loader tool, and it will redirect you to the step 2. So this is how you can install the data loader in your system and perform the data operation like insert, update, delete, undelete, export, export all. So this was all about the installation of the data loader. So with this we have learned how to install data loader in our system. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.